Hey everyone, I'm HVAC repair guy. I have over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two heavy-hitting, two-stage heat pumps head-to-head. The models are the Bryant Preferred Series, 248T and the Tempstar Ion 18 T5H8T. Both units use heavy-gauge galvanized steel cabinets and sound blankets around compressors. They differ in coil protection, with Bryant using full metal, louvered panels. Tempstar uses a durable wire coil grill guard for coil protection. Under the top grill, both systems feature two-stage scroll compressors and multi-speed condenser fan motors. Two-stage operation lets the systems run at low capacity during mild weather instead of full power every startup. This delivers steadier room-by-room temperatures and removes excess humidity during hot months. Both models deliver up to 18 SEER2 cooling efficiency and up to 8.5 HSPF2 for heating. High HSPF2 ratings translate directly to lower monthly power bills in cold months. Both units use next-generation R454B low global warming potential refrigerant. On sound output, the Bryant runs down to 65 decibels, and Tempstar runs down to 67 decibels. Both brands share Carrier Global Corporation engineering behind the badge. Installed replacement costs are similar for a typical 3-ton installation. Bryant typically ranges between $4,800 and $10,400 depending on region and options. Tempstar typically runs between $5,000 and $10,500 in the same market bracket. Both systems include 10-year parts and 10-year compressor limited warranties after timely registration. Tempstar adds a 10-year, no-hassle replacement limited warranty for full outdoor unit replacement on major component failures. Both systems match on efficiency, two-stage performance, and Carrier engineering heritage. If you're choosing between these two systems, the winner is the Tempstar Ion 18 T5H8T. You get the same Carrier engineering, equal 18 SEER2 and 8.5 HSPF2 efficiency, easier coil maintenance, and a significantly superior 10-year unit replacement warranty backing your investment.